Let's say you meet a new classmate and you agree to meet at a local coffee shop to study. You've met this person at the coffee shop 3 different occasions, and on each occasion the person's late. After the 3rd time the person comes late, you think to yourself that this person is just lazy. Or maybe they're selfish because whatever they're doing must be so much more important than meeting you on time. This is an example of dispositional attribution, because you're explaining the person's behavior from an internal cause, that is, that they're lazy. So dispositional attributions are when we explain other people's behavior as being due to something from within the individual, such as a person's personality, talent, attitude, or motivation. So let's take this example again of a person being repeatedly late to a study session. Perhaps you think the reason why the person is late is because they've gotten caught up at something at work and couldn't leave on time. Or perhaps because there was traffic or the person was home helping their sick mother. If you were to use one of these reasons for explaining the individual's tardiness, then you would be using situational attribution. A situational attribution is when we think that something outside of a person, such as the nature of a situation or circumstance, is the cause of the behavior.